Hello everybody, my name is William Amzalag. Welcome to our 13th episode of Jeunesse Longevity TV.
Jeunesse, we are redefining youth.
What is Vidacell, or Vidacell as you wish? Vidacell is entirely made of rice. Rice and nothing else. But not any kind of rice. You know, rice, while used mainly as energy food, contains several hundreds of functional ingredients. The only issue is how to recognize those functional ingredients and how to scientifically validate health benefit of those ingredients. So what is the secret of this very special rice? The first step was to select the best rice plantation in the world. The Siam Valley in Thailand, the largest natural organic plantation on this earth. The highly alkaline soil in the Siam Valley are rich in spirulina, a healthy seaweed assuring a pure organic rice. The following step was to select the right strain of rice. Keep in mind, there are more than 3,000 strains of rice grown in the world. Out of these 3,000 forms, Vidacell carefully selected 3 special strains. So what did we do with these 3 special strains? Well, we combine those 3 strains by cross-pollinating them, and the secret was to do it without using genetic technology, without modifying the strains. Then, the following step again was to select one single functional ingredient among hundreds. This ingredient is a glycoprotein, which means a combination of a sugar and a protein. We extracted the glycoprotein from the rice seed. And guess what? It takes 100 kilo of selected strains of rice to produce 1 kilo of glycoprotein. Glycoprotein are responsible for a wide range of bodily reactions or bodily functions, including transporting molecules, production of enzyme, acting as recognition sites, and production of hormones. Then we fine mill the extract in order to facilitate cells absorption. This is done by a very special equipment designed with the help of the Ministry of Science from Thailand. Now we have glycoprotein extract in a powder form. What to do with? The glycoprotein from rice has a triple benefit on human chemistry and functioning. First, it will boost the energy production from the mitochondria. Second, this rice will drastically improve cellular communication. And third, glycoprotein are essential for body detoxification. Let's talk first about energy. When we have ample cellular energy, we are in optimal health. Our body can correct symptoms and restore its metabolic balance, its homeostasis. Health and aging are located in our cells, and the facilitator is energy. Energy is coming from our power plant within the cells called the mitochondria. We have more than 2,500 mitochondria in each cell. To understand how mitochondria can produce energy, let's start by the beginning. The food we eat. When we eat or drink food, they are digested and break down in nutrients, which are protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. Those nutrients are the only one authorized to cross the intestinal barrier. They are absorbed, go through the blood flow, and reach the final target, the cell. Within the cell, they are directed to the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. This is where the nutrients are converted in energy. Each nutrient has a specific capacity of creating energy. For example, fat can create more energy than carbohydrate, 9 calories for 1 gram instead of 4 for carbohydrate. Meanwhile, in the mitochondria, we use another way of measuring energy, which is called ATP. Creating ATP from our food is essential for life. Vidacell will facilitate the metabolic reaction which lead to energy release in the form of ATP. But Vidacell is more than an energy facilitator. Vidacell will help to keep mitochondria young and fresh. How come? Well, you have to know something. Few people know that we have two DNA. One in our nucleus, which contains most of